just got our vaccines from Revival, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of here. They come in a little cooler, like a disposable cooler, and they have a few ice packs. You see that? That's how they ship them out to us. And I usually try to go ahead and get a temperature. Just to make sure that they are safe and that they've stayed cool. So you see the thermometer still dropping. $36 degrees, and it's about an 80-degree day, so still dropping 36. And then I'll show you guys how they do it. Oh, and I punctured right into one of the ice packs. But that's how they do it, guys. You can still feel the ice. And I punctured right into this one, so we're gonna throw that one away. But that's how it is, guys. That's how the vaccines come. And we'll put them right into our refrigerator.